Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be taking you guys through everything that I'm currently eating at the moment, at least for the next week. I have been traveling a lot for the past few weeks. We went to Atlanta, we went to Vegas, and then we went to Memphis 3 weekends in a row. And next week we go back to Atlanta. My diet was all over the place and I'm feeling it. My body is feeling it. I feel heavy, crazy bloated. It's also that time of the month, so that's why I also feel like that. I would say more so the past few weeks I've been maintaining. I haven't really been like, I'm not bulking and I'm not cutting either. So I would say I'm pretty much at maintenance. To finish off the month, or I would say the next week or so until we get back from Atlanta, which is gonna be on the 6th of September, I'm going to try to maintain or eat at maintenance. Today I want to kind of clean up my diet for the next week. I'm still going to keep my calories pretty high, but I'll be focusing more on clean food versus like all the fast food we've been eating or all the restaurants we've been going to. What's going on? And then the moment we get back from Atlanta on the 6th, I go into full cut mode. Because from the 6th, I have until the 16th of October, which is my birthday, but we leave to start my little 2-week vacation on the 7th. So I literally have 4 weeks. We get back to Atlanta on the 6th, and then I leave on the 7th of October. So I will have a solid month of hardcore cutting. Like when I say I have a hardcore, no cheats, cardio every single day, heavy lifting. I want to be nice and tight. I want to feel strong even though I'm going to be cutting. So that is the plan. Sorry for the little ramble. I'm getting ready to head to the gym. And of course, when today is quads and glutes, I'm not going to be filming my workout today, but I will be showing you guys more workouts and what my workouts are going to be looking like. Having this Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. You know, I can't really do dairy, but this Greek yogurt doesn't really bother me. And I love how much protein I get from this. So I still will be having this every day. And then I'll be having some Quaker's mini chocolate rice cakes. So I only have like 6 of these, but this is my little pre-workout snack. I'm about to go hit the gym and I will be back to show you what I'm having for breakfast. So I am home from the gym, had a really good workout. I'm getting ready to go take a shower and then make breakfast, but the breakfast I'm gonna make takes like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna have a protein shake, and this one is Evolve plant-based protein, vanilla bean. So I'm gonna have one of these and some strawberries just to hold me over until I'm done. So I'm gonna go change and then I'll be right back to show you breakfast. All right, I'm back. I put a little something on my face. Before we jump into making breakfast, I just gotta show you the package that just came in from Factor, today's sponsor. So thank you so much, Factor, for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you are not new to my channel, then you've already heard of Factor. I've worked with them multiple times, and prior to that, I've purchased from them multiple times. If you are new and you have not heard of Factor, they are a meal prep food delivery service, and they deliver chef-made meal prep food right to your front door. Nicely packaged. We got some ice packs in there, and then all the meals that I've gotten for the week, which is perfect timing because I like to use Factor as my lunch because I don't really like making lunch. Like, I'm a breakfast person. I like to cook my breakfast, and I like to have dinner cooked fresh every night. But lunch, I prefer to have my lunch prep. So that's what we're gonna be having for lunch today. Now, with diet plans out there, majority of them are very, very unrealistic and hard for most people to stick to. With Factor, I have yet to come across a meal that I did not love, and their menu changes weekly, so you're not eating the same thing all the time. Now, they don't just have meals, they have juices, they have veggies, and this time around I got some protein bars as well, and these are plant-based. I'll have snacks throughout the day. The thing with Factor is that they do come with a complimentary nutrition coach who you can talk to directly to help you out and help set you up for a plan that works best for you and your current goals. I just love the convenience of it. And now I do choose to have these for lunch for myself, but they do have breakfast options, and you can pretty much decide on how you want to split these up through the day. If you don't want to cook at all, that is okay, and you can have these all throughout the day. If you're someone who doesn't like to cook dinner, then this is a great option. You can pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes, or you can put it in the oven, whichever you prefer. And make sure to use my code Keisha90. You can get $90 off your next 3 weeks of order, plus free shipping. Check it out, super convenient, and they all taste amazing. Ask Sharon because he always eats my meals up. So thank you again, Factor, for sponsoring today's video, and let's get into making breakfast. Right, breakfast is done and ready for me to jump into. Now I have, this is called a shakshuka. Shakshuka, don't come for me if I mispronounce it, but I believe it's like a Middle Eastern dish. I don't know, I just had it for breakfast once when we were in Tulum, and I've been obsessed, and so I'm like, I want to make it myself. So here you have it. I got 2 eggs. Got distracted on my phone and overcooked the eggs, so they're not even ready, which I'm pissed about. But anyways, and then I got my pita, which I have chopped up and put it in the toaster. So I'm just gonna eat these 2 things together and watch a little YouTube. So, but I'll be back later to show you what I'm having for lunch. I just wanted to quickly say, if you've never had shakshuka before, like, you must try it. Coming from someone who doesn't even like tomatoes, I don't like tomatoes, and I'm like, about eggs, and it's still like, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, I am back, and I'm so sleepy. I've been filming all day. I took pictures, and it is time to eat lunch. So I'm gonna eat this lunch and then like lay down for a second before I need to start editing a video. So I'm gonna have one of my Factor meals. So that's what we're eating for lunch. I have the vegetable ratatouille. I need to hear the film, so we just gonna pop a couple holes in there and then pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Right, so here's my vegetable ratatouille. I'm gonna have this right now for lunch, and I'm also gonna have it with a diet Pepsi. I couldn't figure out what it was. I like Diet Dr. Pepper better, but they didn't have none downstairs, so we got Pepsi. So chill and relax and watch some TV, and then get back to work. So I'll be back to show you guys the next thing I'm gonna have. Hello, we're back. It's late, but it's time to eat. I need to eat, so I'm going to make some chicken breasts. Oh, I had a nectarine. I didn't film that, but I did have a nectarine. So let's make some chicken. So I'm gonna make some chicken breasts. I hate chicken breast, but I usually like the chicken thighs from Trader Joe's. But he was like, "You grab some chicken breasts," so I grabbed chicken breasts, and yeah. And I think I'm gonna have some tater tots. I got these little tater tots from Trader Joe's. Let me show you. Trader Joe's Trader Potato Tots. So I'm gonna have some of this. So we're gonna have chicken and tater tots for dinner. Because one, that's more protein, get some protein in, and a little bit more carbs. Carbs are good. I don't know who told people not to eat carbs. Carbs are good. They're good for you. You wanna make some gains and hopefully your sanity, okay? It's already hard enough eating healthy. Why would you remove carbs? So this is what I'm having, my chicken and my little tater tots. It's not the prettiest of meals, but you know, it gets the job done. And there's a crap ton of protein in chicken. So I'm gonna have this to kind of finish off my meals for the day. I'll probably have something sweet later, like my vegan bonbon little ice cream things from Trader Joe's. I am obsessed with those. So yeah, I'm gonna have this and then some water. Drink a lot of water, and I'll be back to show you if I eat anything else before the night is up. Right, now that is a wrap on today's full day of eating. Well, I'm actually gonna jump in bed, but first I'm gonna have one of the little Trader Joe's vegan bonbons. If you haven't had these, they're not, I would say the regular ones has like that little layer of cake at the bottom. These don't have that. It has like little chunks throughout the middle, but still super, super good. So I'm gonna have just one of these. And then I also came across like these little Hold the Dairy little mini cones and stuff from Trader Joe's as well. Like the macros on these things are crazy. Like 6 is 1 serving size. Like that's wild. I mean, they're tiny, but 6 of them? Well, anyways, I'm gonna have one of these and one little bonbon to finish off the night. And yeah, that wraps up today's full day of eating. See you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a series leading up to my birthday, like a 4-week mini cut. So I'm gonna be like documenting everything along the way. You know, right now I'm just pretty much eating freely, not really counting anything, just making sure my protein stays pretty high. But stay tuned for that cutting series. It's gonna be, I'm gonna drop one video every week showing you my diet, progress pictures every week, as long as my weight, measurements, all of that, and my training and what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. Hit that post notification bell so you know when I'm posting. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Good night.